Working with Michael Connelly has been the most incredible blessing I think I've ever had. Besides being a brilliant creator and writer, he's one of the nicest people that I've ever known. He's just a very gracious individual, but a wonderful guy to work with. How did I get working with Mike? And I was partners with another attorney by the name of Daniel Daly. Dan and Mike had gone to the University of Florida, graduated from the University of Florida at the School of Journalism. They both left after graduation and went to Daytona Beach and worked for the Daytona Sun-Times for a period of time. From there, they both moved, I think, to Fort Lauderdale and worked for the Sun down there. At some point thereafter, Mike decided to go, or was given an opportunity to go to LA and become a crime reporter out there, and headed to LA, and Dan made the decision of leaving journalism and going into law school. So fast forward several years, Dan and I became friends, formed a partnership, and Mike had decided it was time to return to Florida from LA. He had written several very successful novels and decided it was time to come back to the Tampa area where his family was. And so he hooked up with Dan and I and said, hey, I've had this idea for this book that we talked about earlier from this attorney in the Dodger game, and I'd like for you guys to help me out. And the rest has been history. I did get to meet Matthew when they were filming the movie. He had indicated and advised Michael that he wanted to meet the lawyers that the story was based on, and so we went out to LA while they were filming the movie and actually spoke with Matthew, talked to him for probably about 45 minutes in the midst of their shooting the film, with the director in the background screaming at Matthew to hurry up and get done and come on, and he kept telling him, "Oh, I'm talking to the lawyers." But we did meet him there, and then of course when we went to the premiere of the movie in LA, we got to see him at the after party and met him and his lovely wife, who was his fiance at the time, now his wife. Get on Netflix and watch the Lincoln Lawyer TV series, and the more of you watch it, the more it'll keep coming.